Many commissioners here present, and of course the Permanent Secretary, PSOs from the Central Command Headquarters, the Commander and Pathfinder, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. So it is a great honor this afternoon to pay courtesy visit to you. I want to thank you for having this privilege to see you despite your tight schedule. We may also extend the compliments of your Naval staff, Vice Admiral I. Abbas, and of course on behalf of the officers, ratings, and my staff in the Naval Command, I wish to express our profound appreciation to you, sir, for your steady support of the Nigerian Navy. I was discussing with my commander here, and he said you have given us about 6 boats, helped us in our secondary school to build structures, and so many other things. I want to really appreciate you deeply, sir, for the support, steady support we have received from you throughout your time as governor, sir. So River State occupies a key position in Nigeria's maritime and energy architecture. The state's vast coastline is critical to oil and gas infrastructure, busy waterways, vibrant commercial activities, and thus the need for these coastlines to be secured. So as the flag officer commanding Naval Command, I consider a close collaboration with the River State government as key for strengthening maritime security and enhancing law enforcement coordination, and so we can ensure that we have an enabling environment for economic activities to thrive. Under the leadership of the current Naval staff, sir, we pledge to sustain aggressive patrols, enhance our maritime domain awareness, and deepen joint operations. That's what CNS use. We must synergize under a whole society approach to ensure that we maintain safety and security in the maritime environment. We are also fully aligned with your development plans for the state, sir, especially in areas of peace, security, economic revitalization, and of course, protection of critical infrastructure. So this visit provides us an opportunity to further strengthen this collaboration, sir, and receive guidance from Your Excellency on what he wants going forward for the Nigerian Navy. We remain a dependable partner to the River State as we try to ensure that the maritime domain is secured. We're also committed to civil military cooperation and to contribute to initiatives that promote community safety, youth empowerment, and socio-economic stability. Your Excellency, I once again thank you for the warm reception and your support to the Nigerian Navy, and we are affirmed to work closely, sir, with you to achieve your development priorities. Thank you very much, sir.
Let me welcome you officially to the Government House, and also let me use this medium to congratulate your boss, the Chief of Naval Staff, on his appointment, and to wish him well, and to also assure him that the wonderful relationship that has existed with past Chief of Naval Staff with the River State government, not as a person, will intend to sustain them with him. You're welcome to our state. We also want to say that our relationship with the Naval Command has been very wonderful. The relationship has to be wonderful because River State because of its terrain, has to do with rivers, seas, and other things. And our predominant occupation here is usually fishing and other activities that normally take place in the waterways. We're not farmers here. Even if we farm, maybe just to feed, but not on commercial quantity. But our main activities are usually fishing and other things that are done in the marine environment. So keeping a relationship with the Navy is very important. So we know the importance of it. So I want to say that you're coming on board, and this particular relationship that you have come to renew, we can assure you that it's going to spur us to do more in terms of collaboration for a success for both the Navy and also the states.
Thank you very much.
Let me, if it won't be too much of maybe praising the Navy, but I don't think there's anything wrong if I have to say that. You know, the major problem that we have here, which has to do with the issue of vandalization of our pipeline, and most of these issues are usually in the coastal line, where we have the lines run through the swamps. I can say here proudly that the Navy, in conjunction with other security agencies, have always responded very actively.
Thank you, sir.
In most cases, they don't even need to tell me. It is after the operation that is when they can send their report. And this can only be possible because of the wonderful relationship that we have. If the state doesn't protect their assets through the security agencies, definitely the state will also suffer one way or the other. If the level of production drops, in the course of calculation of our own return in terms of the national income, it also drops. So it's a win-win thing for every one of us. So let me thank Commodore Anyogo for the good job that you're doing.
Thank you, sir.
And I believe that now that there is some repositioning in terms of promotion and other things that are coming, that this is not going to be the last time we're going to see you here. I hope this is not going to be the last time we'll see you here. But however, you're not supposed to be here forever.
Yes, sir.
But we pray that whoever is going to come, let the person also keep up to the good work that you're doing. So let me round up by saying Rivers State has always maintained a very wonderful relationship with the Nigerian Navy, and with your presence here, coming to pay this courtesy call to remind us of our relationship, I can assure you that we will continue to maintain that relationship and support you wherever we need to come in.
Thank you very much, sir.
Let me wish you well as you oversee the affair of the Eastern Naval Command, and wish your tenure a successful one. Thank you,
very much, sir.
and may God bless you.
His Excellency the Governor.